what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. When I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful week so far. Mine is going well. I just got home from work and I thought I would pop on video really quickly and show you what I got in my Birchbox this month. My April box came extremely early this month. I don't know like what their shipping schedule is. Like, sometimes I'll get my Birchbox mid-month, sometimes I'll get it at the end of the month, and today I got it like really early. So weird. This is actually my makeup that I wore all day for work today, so this is what it looks like. I'll have everything that I'm wearing on my face listed below in case you are interested. But let's get into what I got in my Birchbox for this month. I don't know if I said BoxyCharm earlier, but if I did, I meant to say Birchbox. It was actually different this month. Like, it didn't come in one of their little boxes, but that's totally fine. So the first thing I got was this Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray Hydrating Facial Spray, which is nice because I will use this. I use facial sprays. Let's see. The full size of this would cost $25. It says this calming rose spray helps hydrate skin, reduce redness, and maintain the skin's pH balance. Spray 10 to 12 inches from face whenever you need a refresh. And then it says, once finished, reuse the spray bottle with any of your favorite spray products. Cool. Then the next thing I got, which I'm really excited about because I'm really trying to get into using a lot of more like reusable items. I've bought like a lot of like reusable, like the makeup eraser cloths and things like that. I just think that they're so great. I'm trying to cut out using a lot of like makeup remover wipes and things like that just because it's bad for the environment, and I just really want to do that. And also, like, they make really fun colors and I love like fun pretty things, so you can get me with that. And there's tons of brands that are like doing them, so you don't have to spend like $25 on a makeup eraser one. But anyway, I went off on a tangent. I got the Magnetone London Wipeout Swipes Eco-Friendly Makeup Remover Pads. The 6-pack of this would be $20. This comes with actually 2 of them, and it says these will remove even the toughest long-wear makeup with just warm water. Wet and swipe in a circular motion to gently wipe away makeup. They can be reused thousands of times. To clean, just wash in your normal laundry load. And they look really cute. Just like this. I think they're really adorable. They're nice and soft. They feel really nice. They feel similar to other ones I have. So I'm really excited to try these. It doesn't say if you have to wash them ahead of time. I know with like the makeup eraser brand, you have to wash the cloths and stuff before you use them, but it doesn't say on here if you have to. And then I got a Vitamess Sustainable Detox Leafy Greens Biodegradable Sheet Mask, and it is a biodegradable sheet mask that detoxifies and purifies pores in one use. Apply to cleanse skin and leave on for 20 minutes. Pat remaining serum into skin. So I'm excited to use this. I love face masks. Again, like, I know that like the sheet masks and stuff again like aren't really like environmentally friendly, but they should really like make reusable like things that you can put the serum on and then put it on your face and then wash it and you can use it again. That might be something that is out there and I just haven't looked into it, but that would be a really cool idea. And then I got this like little plastic thing, which wasn't listed on the thing, but it came with my last 2 Birchbox items, and it is my, so then I got the Payout 24 Plus Cream Gel. The full size of this runs for $48. The silky rich cream moisturizer melts into your face for intense 24-hour hydration. Apply over face after cleansing morning and evening. This will definitely be something that I use. And then the final thing I got is from Refill. It's a refillable beauty balm, and the full size of this would be $12. And this is, it's not just a lip balm. This is your multi-use balm for anything. Plus, it's refillable. Made with a blend of natural oils, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and squalane. It hydrates and conditions dry skin, helps promote skin barrier function, and leaves a protective layer that's light and soft. Apply to lips, cuticles, dry patches of skin, or anywhere you need. Refill sold separately on Birchbox.com. So this is cool. This was actually a really good box this month. Like, I'm really excited I really enjoy everything that I got in it. I don't usually like hate anything that I get in my boxes. I'm like not really that hard to please. I'm pretty just like, look, whatever. Like I can try and use it. If not, I can always pass something along to somebody else or something. So yeah. So anyway, this is just a quick video. I just wanted to pop on, say hello. Hope you guys are having a fantastic week and share what I got in my Birchbox. If you guys get Birchbox, let me know what you guys got this month. Let me know if you liked it, if you didn't like it, if you have gotten Birchbox in the past, and if you canceled or whatever, or just whatever subscription boxes you get. I'm always interested in hearing what's out there, what people get. It's just, there's so many to choose from. It's like actually overwhelming. So anyway, my Celestial Cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I get it. I know I'm not one of the cool kids, but that's okay. And I still thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it. I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you'd like to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I don't film as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye.